Back now with the story that's impacting people not only here in the DMV but across the nation. A debate over an abortion pill taking center stage at the Supreme Court.
The justices heard oral arguments yesterday on whether the FDA overstepped its authority when it comes to mifepristone. Randy Ayala joining us now with more on this. And this is a debate. And Randy, the justices, they are expected to make their decision soon.
Right. Yeah. Good morning, Annie, Allison. Have a couple months here. A group of anti-abortion rights doctors and medical organizations are challenging the FDA for making mifepristone more accessible. I want to show you some video from outside the Supreme Court Tuesday. Protesters here on both sides gathering while the justices heard oral arguments inside. Now, the FDA approved the abortion pill mifepristone in 2000. In 2016 and 2021, the FDA took steps to make the drug more accessible by allowing it to be taken later into pregnancy and delivered in the mail without an in-person doctor's visit. That was during the pandemic, and this is what this group is challenging.
FDA has really undermined the safety of women's health.
The only time any court has restricted access to an FDA-approved drug by second-guessing FDA's expert judgment.
If the Supreme Court rules to allow these anti-abortion extremists to restrict medication abortion with no science and no evidence, it opens the door for all kinds of medicines to be restricted by any group that happens to disagree with them.
Now, the government is arguing the case has no legal standing and is another attempt to restrict abortion. And some justices expressed concern about undermining the FDA's authority here. Now, the court is expected to make a decision by early July. If the justices roll back the use of mifepristone, it could still be used up to 7 weeks of pregnancy, but it would be harder to access through the mail or telehealth appointments.